Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this tutorial I'm going to be teaching you how to create an NFT website, NFT minting website. Now as you know, NFT website is divided into collectible and meeting. Now this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to create a meeting website. Now as you can see, this is the website I'm going to be creating on this tutorial. Now these are the collections we're going to be adding. These are the features of the company that we are going to be working with, and these are some of the little NFTs and so on. Now this whole thing is created or has been created with Google, with WordPress. It has been created with WordPress. So here it's our about us page. This is the experts, same thing. Now if you go down, you have your account. Because I'm already logged in, that's why it's showing my account, password and all that. So let me go back, let me log out. So if you go to the back end, you're going to see this is all created with WordPress. Now move forward, you're going to see the login and the sign up button, create account. So this already logged in. Here it's my account, as you can see. If I go to my account, here's my settings. I could go to my dashboard, I could upload my collection, I could go to my gas fee, I could withdraw, I could change my profile, and I could log out. So everything here has been created with WordPress, everything. So now let's log out and see how other pages look. Now if we go to the contact us page, this is how our contact us page look. Even with company email, that's our company email. So guys, in this tutorial I'm going to be creating this website from scratch, and I'm going to teach you how to create it and everything we are going to be using. So if you stick around to the end, I'm going to still show you some trick that you need to add to it that could help you build this website with WordPress, because I noticed that most of you guys understand WordPress more. So stick around to the end guys, and you see the beauty of this. So hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Victor. So let's dive into the tutorial completely. So now the first thing you want to do is to purchase a domain name if you haven't. So if you want to create a website like this using WordPress, you need a domain name and a web hosting account. Now to do that, all you just need to do is to go to your browser, type in websitecreator.com, websitecreator creator.com/bluehost. Bluehost is where I get most of my domain name. If you have been following me, you're going to understand that Bluehost is where I get most of my domain name. So you just type in websitecreator.com/bluehost, and it's going to redirect you to Bluehost, where you could get your domain name. Now the reason you are going through that link is because as you use the link, you are actually supporting us as the owner of this content, or you're actually supporting our YouTube channel. So that's why you're using that link. Now it's an affiliate link, so when you make use of it, you're actually supporting us and you are helping us to grow this channel more, because you can see the channel is not yet monetized. So you're actually supporting us to keep the channel going and the tutorial and this everything going. So thank you for using the link. Now what you want to do is to click on host your site. Now you see it's starting from $2.95. That's the cheapest you could get. So you're going to select your basic plan if you are using just one website. If you are using just one website, just make use of this. If you are using multiple websites, but for this tutorial, since we are using one website, you could select this and then get your domain name. Then you could select your domain name, which let's assume we are doing something like this. I don't know what it is, I just type it in. Now if it is available, see it's available, then you create your account or you sign in with Google, and then you calculate your total. See, they even give you free SSL, primary domain actually free. So hosting price $35.40. You see that this is the cheapest you could get. Once you are done, just leave every other thing, don't bother by any other thing, just make payment with your credit card, and that is that. Once you are done, you'll be given your cPanel. Or you can log in from your Bluehost account. I'm not going to log in currently because I've already done that. So you'll be given your Bluehost dashboard where you could log into your cPanel, and that will take you to your cPanel. From your cPanel, you're going to log into your WordPress. So let's go into that in details. So as you can see, I'm already logged into my cPanel. This is my cPanel. Now I purchased the plus plan, which allowed me to host more than one website. So as you can see, this is my cPanel. Now what you want to do next from your cPanel is to scroll downward. Just ignore every other thing you see here. Just scroll downward till you get to this Software Plus app installer. Now once you come to this Software Plus app to install, you want to click on WordPress. Click on WordPress. Click on WordPress. It's going to take you to where you can install WordPress. Now other CMS are actually here which you can install, but for this tutorial, guys, for this purpose, we are using WordPress. So now you're going to click on next, click on custom install. Now you're going to be using the Affiliation. I'm going to install it in a directory. Let me call it D, or let me call it NFT. Call it NFT. Okay, let me call it NFT. Now the WordPress is actually on the highest version. You're going to leave it, keep it on the highest. So you just keep it on the highest, which is the latest version. Now move this to HTTPS to ensure it is secure. Now go downward and choose a name for your site, which is the name of your website. So this is called Affiliation. Now give your site a description. Figures at website. I'm going to call it Figures at website. Now give your site a name. So let's give our site a name. Admin. Let me call it admin, and give it a password. So let's give it a password. I'll call it 0814AB. I really don't need it though, but I just have to do it because of this tutorial. So let me still call it AB. Now let me leave this at this. So let me copy this password. I'm going to copy it, and then email, admin email. Now you want to change this to your own email first. You can change to your own email first. I'm going to leave that and scroll downward, come to the same place, the same email you entered, then enter it here. And once you are done, if your country is English, select English. If your country is not English, then select whichever country you use. If your language is English, so I'm going to leave mine as English. Sorry, if your language is English, you select English. If it is not, you select whichever that is. Now click on install. That's all. It's going to take about 3 to 4 minutes to install. Once it's installed, you are ready to go and you are live. So you see, it was installed successfully. Now let's visit our website. Now this is our WordPress website look. It looks horrible and ugly. Just kidding though, it actually looks great. So what we could do here, we could start customizing. Now what you want to do next is to either go through with the link in the description to Team Forest to purchase this theme. It is called NFT theme. So it's a portfolio Elementor template kit. Now this kit is going to help you create the website very fast and easy. Now it started at $24, but there's going to be a link in the description. If you don't want to purchase it from Team Forest, there's going to be another link in the description to get it at a lower price. But if you want to purchase it from Team Forest, there's still a link in the description to help you purchase it from Team Forest. But if you don't want to, you actually purchase it from here. So whichever suits you, purchase from Team Forest or purchase from the link in the description at the cheaper price. It's up to you. So I think the link in the description will be about 10 or I think $6 to $10 around that range. So I'm just going to check, but whichever is cheaper to you, just make use of it. Now once you are done with it, you're going to add it to cart and make payment. And once you make payment, you're going to check out and pay for it if you want to. But if you don't want to, just click on the link in the description and get it at a lesser price. It's still the same thing, it's still the same process. So what we'll do next is to go to our website back end. You're going to click on this link. It's going to take you to your WordPress admin dashboard. Now this is WordPress. Welcome to WordPress. Now welcome to WordPress. What you want to do is to go to plugins. Now we are not going to be wasting any time. Just go to plugins. As you get to plugin, you're going to click on add new. So let's keep this fast and simple as possible. Keep on add new. Now once you click on add, you click on Elementor. Type in Elementor, which is the page builder I'm going to be using for this. Then you click on install. This is the Elementor you're going to install. Elementor website builder. Click on install. Now once you are done with that, now you still want to type in Elementor element. Am I getting it right? It's Elementor. ENVAT. Okay, ENVAT. I think I'm getting it right. Okay, this is it. You want to download this plugin. It's called Elementor Element Photo and Elementor Template. Click on install. Activate. And you want to still activate this Elementor, and these other plugins which are not needed, just deactivate them. They are not useful. So you could either go through with this process or not, but for me, I'm not actually building a real website, so I'm just going to cancel it and head back to my website. So if you are going through the process, you just make do of it. Now come to appearance, click on themes. Now once you click on themes, you want to install a theme that is convenient for you, a theme that you could actually make use of and that is convenient. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to click on add new, and I'm going to choose the Elementor template. So this Elementor, this one I'm going to choose. Click on install, click on activate. And the reason I'm doing this is for the website to actually fit into what I actually want. Now once you are done with that, you want to click on the Elementor element. You want to click on install kit. Now follow carefully. You want to click on element. Since you already activated the Elementor element, click on element, click on install kit. Now once you click on it, it's going to show you this page which you have. Now what you want to do next is to click on this plus and upload template kit zip file. Now remember that I said you will purchase this the template from either Elementor with the link in the description, or there's still going to be another link in the description that will help you to purchase it at a cheaper price. So when you click on the link, you purchase it, then you want to come back here, click on upload. Now let me look for it. So I think I have it somewhere. I already bought it, so this is it. Now you're going to click on open, and it's going to load and upload. Give it some time, it's going to upload by itself. So now it has actually worked and it has uploaded by itself. Now it's going to say install requirements, so let's see. Now click on install above selected requirements. It's going to install the required plugin for this template to work. So you're going to click on it. So once you're done, click on close, and that is that. So now you want to go to your pages. Now if you notice, most major NFT website, like if we go to OpenSea, if we go to other website, you're going to see that they all have some. Let's go to OpenSea. Let's go to OpenSea, OpenSea.io, and you're going to see they all have some, yeah, these are the stuff, some menu that is actually common for NFT website, like explore, start, resource, create, and all that. So you go to your own website, you're going to start with the home page. Let's charge this. Also charge this, it's not needed. Now click on add new, open a new tab. So now as you click on the new page, add new page, you're going to go to the page and give it a title. Now for this first page, we're going to call it home. Click on home, click on publish. Now before you do anything else, before you go through with it, to make it easier for you, just go back to your pages. Now go to that same kit template. Let's go to templates, kit library. No, not this, sorry. There's something I'm actually looking for. I think it should be around, header, footer. So click on header, footer. Once you click on it, it's going to show you the header of the template and the footer. Now to make your life easy, you want to set it up the way you want. Because the more you keep going with the template, the more you want to be editing it manually. So it's better you just set it from this point and ensure that everything is okay. Okay, now this has been set. So let's go to the footer area. That's still not showed up. Okay, let's start from the pages part. Let's see if it's going to show up. Now click on edit with Elementor. Click on edit with Elementor. As you can see, this is the website. So click on settings. This under general setting, click on hide title, then click on Elementor canvas, then update. Now everything is going to wipe and it's going to give you a blank page to start your website design. Now click on this Elementor element icon and click on the NFT, and now you want to install the home. Insert the template. Now while that is installed, you're going to go to your browser and go to a website like Poster My Wall that could allow you to create a logo for your website. Now most of you pay for logo, but for me, I just do my logo free on website like Poster My Wall and Canva. So it's easy and it doesn't require any upfront payment or anything. So what I just do, I just type in logo and it gives me some logo which they already have, and then I look for one that is suitable for me and edit it. So I think this one is okay. Let me work with this. Edit design. So now let's change this to let's change this to this up. Now move this backward a bit. Make this a little bit bigger. Adjust this like this. Now as that is done, edit it the way you want. So I'm going to increase the size of this, take it upward a bit. Now what you want to do next is to change the color. Now if you look at our template, you're going to see that the design is somewhat different. See, it's somewhat different. So what you want to do is to change the color to fit in. So you're going to click on it. I'm going to make use of white. Click on it, influencer, make use of white also. Then click on this one also, make use of white. And once it is done, just click on download. It's gonna be downloading. Now click on download. That's all. Now if we go back, so I actually made a mistake, guys. So I'm going to correct that mistake. First, you want to first put in your header. Your header is the first thing you want to put in, so don't always forget that. You want to click on put in your header first on every template. So let me go back, click on histories, editing, start page. Let's go to the beginning. Now click on the Elementor. Sorry about that, guys. Let's take this all again. So first you want to go with the header. This is the header. Click on the set. So once that is done, you want to click on the home page and then the footer, because every website consists of the header, the page, which is the body, and then the footer. The same thing as an HTML. If you are building an HTML website, you have your header, your body, and your footer. So first you put in your header. As you are done with that, then you put in your body before you put in your footer. So give it some time to install, and once it is installed, you can continue from there. Now we have already created our logo for the website, so that is no longer a problem. Now it's actually trying to load up, so just allow it to load up. So since it has loaded up, now let's do some customization. So let me bring this guy downward a bit so it will be responsive. I'm looking for a perfect place for this art. So I'm gonna see if it's gonna fit in properly. Okay, I think this is the perfect position for it, so let's leave it at this point. Now what you want to do next is to click on this logo, click on edit, touch the image. Now remember the logo we just created, and I'm going to drag it and drop it on it. So let me do that. Now this is our logo. So then you're going to click on insert media and see if it fits. Now it doesn't fit, so let's go edit it. Edit image. Let's make it a bit smaller. Let's crop it. I hope you are following, guys. I hope you are following. I'm just trying to do this as fast as I can. So this is it. I'm going to scale it from this point and click on crop. Now this is our logo. Save. And this is it. Insert media. I think it's enlarged. Let me put it to thumbnail and see if it's going to fit. Now from this point you want to be changing the background color to whatever you like. So you could change the color to the thick one, or you could change it so far the color fits to your description. It's all fine. So you're gonna see this. I think let's leave it at this. So now this still doesn't fit, so let's see how we can make this fit. Okay, now let's reduce the size. Okay, this is okay. This is the perfect logo for this. Now this join this code, you're going to click on it. You're going to change it to create account. Create account, and you're going to put the link to the account here. But for now we're not going to do that. Now you're still going to edit the colors of this website as you saw in the demo tutorial, or in the demo which I showed you before the beginning of the tutorial. So you're going to edit it to the same color. So you just copy the color. As you can see, we are using OD2148. So you can just copy the color and then do the same thing for everyone to make it easier for you. Just do the same thing. Update the style. Choose the color. I'm not going to do everything on this tutorial because it's actually time consuming, and we don't want the whole tutorial to be covered with just this process. I still want to show you how to set every other part up. So this part, you can set this part yourself, which is quite easy to do. So now we want to add the last part, which is called the footer. So scroll downward. I'll look for the footer. Okay, this is the footer. So click on insert footer. It's going to load and it's going to insert. Once it's insert, you're going to edit the part that you don't like off and going to leave the part that is okay for you. So let's change the color also. So then I'm going to change all this to white, but that will be your job. So I'm just going to do this so you can understand how the process goes. Insert media, take the style, give it a smaller width, and then change each of these colors to white and give it the major link which is necessary. So that's all you just have to do. Change the color to white, and as you can see, our website is coming to life. part. I don't need this. Now you want to set every other thing, and for this you really don't need this, so you're just going to delete it unless you have a social media presence. But if you don't, just delete this, and also turn all these to white to make it look visible. We're going to do the same for this part. Now I'm going to see that this is going to require to do a form, which we have not done, so just want to edit this part and then set it up, and that's all. Now you can see you could change the text to white, to make it look cooler. That's that for that. Also, I would like to change this text here to something different. Let's change the color to the dark one. Sorry guys, I'm just trying to make this very fast, so I hope you follow it carefully. Since we've said that, I think this color is okay, and you're going to edit this to whatever you want. So whichever text that suits you, you're going to put it here. So I just want to exit this and then leave this for like this. Now for your collectibles, you could change these collectibles, and you could change the background color. Let's use our normal background color, which is the dark blue. Now this is the background. You could change these collectibles to your own NFT collectibles. So this is the demo that came with this tutorial. You could change them and add more. You could duplicate the page. Just click on this part, right click and click on duplicate, and the page will be duplicated, and you could add more NFT to it. Now once that is done, you want to also edit this part. Now so edit this part, you want to give it a fitting color. So let's leave this part as white. I think white will be cool. Let's see. Okay, this gray is okay. So now once you are done with that, you want to click on update. So let's preview our changes. Guys. Let's see how it has rolling. Voila. So this is our NFT side. Now the one you saw in the demo, I actually edited all the colors, so that is why. Now this is our NFT side. These are collectibles which you can edit. This is our roadmap launch. So you can spend time editing everything on it to make it look more cooler. So you can spend time editing them and then change most of the settings. Now if we're going to view it on mobile, it's going to be different. So let's go back and view it on mobile. So we view it on mobile. Let's see how it will look on mobile device. On mobile. So this is how it will look. Now let's bring this down a little bit. So as you can see, it's on mobile, it's actually still upward. Let's give it something like 50. Okay, this is okay. I'll take it downward. Now you want to understand that most of your visitors or most of your users, they are going to be using their mobile phone to visit your site. So you want to make the site as responsive as possible, so they don't have any issue when going through your NFT meeting site. So now let's give it 50 or so. I think this is okay. It's okay. Now this is it. And whichever thing you feel like it's not necessary, you can remove and you can edit. So this is it. This is our site. This is how it look cool, and this is it. You can start editing everything on the pages. Now for that, since that is done, let's click on update and go for other pages. Now the necessary thing I said I want to show you at the end of this tutorial, which now you already understand how to build your pages. So you already understand how to create your pages from this area. Understand how to create your pages. Now you can also create other pages and install the template kit from other pages, which is going to be like the other tutorial or the one we saw before. Now once that is done, you could come to your appearance, go to your appearance, go to your menu and create your first menu. Now the first menu you want to create is going to consist of your home, your about us, your contact us page, and your explore page. That's the 4th page you want to create. So let's call it main. Click on create menu, and it has been created. Now you want to add your home, save. Now this is the only menu we have currently. You could actually do more on it. Now once that is done, you're going to scroll to plugins, add new. Now you're going to see that on that website you could actually log in, you can actually log out from the website. So that is because of a plugin called Membership Pro. Or Ultimate Membership Pro, whichever you can call it. It's going to come up. Let's just call it the rename. Okay, that's it. So this is the plugin. You want to install it. Now it's going to come with its own demo pages for you to create account and log in. So now from there you could take it up. This is it, Ultimate Member. So now it's going to come with its own create pages. So these are the pages, save changes, and you are good to go. So now you want to come back to your menu to add this page to your menu bar. So pages that are necessary to add to your menu bar is just your login and sign in and login, or whatever, sign in and sign out, registration. Okay, add page. Now once that is added, click on save. For now, that is all we need to be doing. And now once you are done with that, you want to come to your settings. I'm trying to make this very fast so as to fit the time I set for this tutorial. So I'm trying to make this very fast. I'm going to click on the static page. I'm going to click on home, which you just created. I'm going to click on save changes. Once you are done clicking on save changes, it's going to reload. And if we're going to view our website from the front end, let's view what our website look like. And you're going to see this is our website. See how cool it is. This is our website. This is our website. Now some of the image you could actually change, you could actually set up, and the link we just created, which is the login and the registration, look at it. You could create a registration page. Now what you have to do is to edit this page. Now as you can see, it's not what we want because it doesn't fit into the website. So now we are going to go back to our backend area, click on the pages. Now let's start with our registration page. Click on edit. hope you get the gist, guys. This is how you edit every other page. Now you want to copy this link, you want to click on edit with Elementor. Now once you are inside, just click on your settings like we did before, click on hide title, click on Elementor canvas, click on update. Now what you want to do, you want to click on this, you want to add your header like before, and this is where you could add every other template that are necessary. Now once you are done with that, you want to remove this upper part. Now once you are done with that, click on this again, click on your template. Now you want to add something. Okay, this is the blog page, you want to add it. Now we are not going to be using anything inside the page, you just need the background. So this is it. Just delete this part because it's not necessary. Yeah, we need this and this. Delete this and put your search widget and type in short code. This is it. Drag it and drop it within this area, and the code we already copied, you want to paste it here and click on apply. Now you want to go downward and click on the same template kit, and you want to add the footer. Now remember, we don't have the footer already installed, so we want to add the footer. You want to set the footer template on it. Now once that is inserted, now you can start changing the colors like we did before, and to the color that fits your NFT. Now because we have no NFT in particular, that's why I'm doing this like this. But if you have an NFT, if you have a, let's say a red NFT or a blue NFT or a black NFT, whichever color that fits your NFT, you could change this website to the color. Now remember, you have to change this logo and change the upper logo. Now I'm just going to try this and show you how the page will look if you edit it from this point. Now let's go back and refresh the registration page, and wow, this is how it looks. Now it's going to show you registered. Now if we take it and open this page on a new incognito tab, now this is how it will look. This is how it will look. Now customization begin from here, which you have to change the color of the text. But from here, I think so far it has been working perfectly. A user can register from here, or a user can join or log in from here. So that is that for that. So every other pages can be edited like that. And since you stick to the end of this tutorial, guys, since you stay to the end of this tutorial to this point, so about my time, it's 41 minutes. So I'm going to show you something. Now I already created this website before, and I'm just showing you guys a demo of how I did this thing. Now if you come to the my main website, it's influencer.live, you're going to see that I already have everything set up. So this is my main website. Sorry, not this. Let's remove the NFT. So the main website, so okay, let me log out from this. I think it's actually coexisting or trying to so now let me log out from this, guys. I want to show you something. So now let me log out. Log out, and I can't remember which email we used. So now I'm going to log in to my main website. So it's currently redirecting me to this website. So I'm gonna delete this after now because it's not needed or not necessary. So this is it. So guys, it's actually redirecting me to this, so let me remove this part. Let me see if it's gonna still redirect. Okay, let me just remove this in total and see if it's gonna redirect to. Okay, this is the website I'm talking about. So now let me show you the pages, and here is what I did. So now if we are to log in, this is my page. So these are the pages I created for this NFT collectible website: the about, the account, the collection page. Each of this page I created them manually. So currently we have about 2 users registered. So I added the users to pending just in case, so that people wouldn't just go to the website and register anyhow. So now if we go to the registered page, let's start from the home page, guys. If you go to the home page, you view the home page, you're going to see it's quite different because I took my time to build it. So okay, I have 2 users, okay, 3 users already. Now what I did, I actually put each of these users to pending review until I approve them. So I have 2 users, they approve them, they can't visit the website. Now this is what my homepage look like. I actually changed the colors and most of the settings to suit what I actually want for my NFT collectible website. So this is it, guys. It all depends on what or how you customize the website. Now to make this whole thing easier for you, I'm just going to do a free giveaway for my subscribers. So if you have not subscribed, this is not for you. So what you want to do as my subscriber, you want to go to plugin, add new, click on type in WP migrate. Now all you want, WP migration, click on it, install. Now you want to activate it. So once that is activated, as my subscriber, click on all in one, and you're going to see export site. No, you want to click on import site. Now for me, since I'm exporting this site to you, I'm going to click on export site. So for you, you want to click on import site. I'm going to put a link in the description to get this whole site, and then you could continue customization from here. So what you want to do is to click on import site and then upload what I'm going to export to you, and I'm going to put the password in the description so you could actually get it, and then you could log in from there. The password will be inside the script. So once you install it, you extract it, you're going to see the password to log in and create your account, and that will be that. So click on file, and it's going to be exported to my my WordPress to my computer as a file. And what you want to do is to upload it directly to your own website or your own WordPress backend. So you see, I've created everything and everything works smoothly. So this has about 150. Okay, so the whole database has been exported. It's about 238 MB. So what I want to do, I want to click on download, and I'm going to export it to you guys. I'm going to give it to you. So that's that for this tutorial. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'm actually low on subscriber right now, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and do have a nice day from here. So thank you for watching, and have a nice and wonderful day.